Mark, I learned so many words, but in a real conversation, I get lost.
I understand. Words alone are not enough. You need real conversations.
So, what do we do today?
Today, we listen to 5 real conversations. Then we practice the useful lines.
Listen first, then speak.
Exactly. Real English, real life.
Woof! Kekemu is ready. Let's go.
First, how does this work?
We listen to the conversation. Just relax and understand.
Then we practice together. I ask, Jessica answers, and you repeat out loud.
Don't worry about perfect English. Just speak.
Ready? Here's the first conversation. 2 people meet for the first time. Listen. Hi, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Tom. I'm Jessica. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Jessica?
I'm from France. And you?
I'm from Canada. Do you live here now?
Yes, I live here. I'm a student.
That's great. What do you study?
I study art. I love it.
Wonderful. Well, nice talking to you.
You too. Have a nice day.
A simple, friendly conversation. Now, let's practice the useful lines. When someone says, "Nice to meet you," you answer,
Nice to meet you too.
repeat,
Nice to meet you too.
"Where are you from?"
I'm from France.
Repeat with your country.
I'm from France.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live here.
Repeat.
Yes, I live here.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Repeat.
I'm a student.
Nice talking to you.
You too. Have a nice day.
Repeat.
You too. Have a nice day.
These lines can help you meet someone new.
That felt natural, Mark.
Yes. Short answers are enough. You don't need long sentences. Now, a conversation at a cafe. Listen. Hi, what can I get you?
Hi, a coffee, please.
Sure, for here or to go?
For here, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a piece of cake, please.
Great, that's $5.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Here you are. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Easy and polite. Let's practice. What can I get you?
A coffee, please.
Repeat.
A coffee, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Repeat.
For here, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a piece of cake, please.
Repeat.
Yes, a piece of cake, please.
You want to pay.
Can I pay by card?
Repeat.
Can I pay by card?
These lines can make ordering easier.
I use the cafe a lot.
Me too. A coffee, please. Very useful. Now, you are lost in the city. Listen.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Where is the train station?
Go straight, then turn left.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Sure. Go straight, then turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, just 5 minutes.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day. Very useful in a new city. Let's practice. You need help. You say,
Excuse me, can you help me?
repeat.
Excuse me, can you help me?
You want a place.
Where is the train station?
Repeat.
Where is the train station?
You didn't understand.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Repeat.
Sorry, can you say that again?
You want the distance.
Is it far from here?
Repeat.
Is it far from here?
This can help you ask for directions.
Can you say that again? Is my favorite.
Yes. Use it when you don't understand. Now, you are shopping for clothes. Listen. Hi, can I help you?
I'm just looking, thanks.
No problem. Take your time.
Actually, can I try this on?
Of course. What size are you?
Medium, please.
Here you are. The fitting room is there.
It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Great. How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Simple shopping English. Let's practice. Can I help you?
I'm just looking, thanks.
Repeat.
I'm just looking, thanks.
You like something.
Can I try this on?
Repeat.
Can I try this on?
What size are you?
Medium, please.
Repeat.
Medium, please.
It is good. You decide.
It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Repeat.
It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
These lines can make shopping easier.
I love I'll take it.
Yes, that means I want to buy it. Last conversation. Two friends make a plan. Listen. Hey, are you free tonight?
Yes, I'm free. What's the plan?
Do you want to see a movie?
Sure, sounds good.
Great. Let's meet at 7.
Okay, that works for me.
Where should we meet?
In front of the cinema?
Perfect. See you there.
See you. Can't wait.
A natural, friendly plan. Let's practice. Are you free tonight?
Yes, I'm free.
Repeat.
Yes, I'm free.
Do you want to see a movie?
Sure, sounds good.
Repeat.
Sure, sounds good.
Let's meet at 7.
Okay, that works for me.
Repeat.
Okay, that works for me.
See you there.
See you. Can't wait.
Repeat.
See you. Can't wait.
These lines can help you make simple plans. Now, let's practice. You are Jessica. I will say the first line. You answer with Jessica. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from France.
What can I get you?
A coffee, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Sure, no problem.
Can I help you?
I'm just looking, thanks.
Can I try this on?
Yes, of course.
Are you free tonight?
Yes, I'm free.
Do you want to see a movie?
Sure, sounds good.
See you there.
See you. Can't wait.
Great job. You practiced all 5 conversations. That was great. You practiced 5 real conversations.
And I didn't get lost. I had useful lines ready.
That's the goal. Listen, then speak. Again and again.
Watch this video again tomorrow. A little every day.
If this lesson helped you, tap the like button.
And subscribe to Easy English with Kekemu for more simple English practice.
You can also download the free PDF in the description. It includes all 5 conversations and the useful lines.
Tell us in the comments, which conversation helped you most? Meeting someone? The cafe? Directions? Shopping? Or making plans?
Keep practicing. You're doing well.
Bye for now.